At a recent show we were exhibiting at, someone came up to me and said, "Is that magnetic?" I said, "No. And neither is it magic. It's simply a cap that's covered with a Velcro-like loop material. And I mean covered to the button on the very top, the adjustable strap on the back, and both sides of the visor, top and bottom, which allows you to theme out your cap with any hook back patch, whether you make it yourself from a regular patch or you use an EDC, an Airsoft, Paintball, any type of tactical patch that has the hook back. You can add that to your and theme out your Stickets cap the way you want it to be done. You could even retheme your cap for every day of the week. It's easy. One cap can be changed thousands of different times and make it your theme.